What is main level living? The way we live at home changes over time, and the homes that work best are the ones that are designed to adapt with us. Main-level living has become an increasingly important part of modern home design, not just for future planning, but for how people want to live today. At AV Architects and Builders, we often see how homeowners prioritize main-level living as a way to simplify daily routines and create a home that remains comfortable over time. What was once considered a long-term feature is now a central part of how homes are designed from the start. What main-level living means. Main-level living is about placing essential spaces on the primary floor of the home. This typically includes the primary bedroom, kitchen, living areas, and the laundry room. By organizing these functions on one level, the home becomes easier to navigate and more efficient to use. Everyday convenience. One of the biggest advantages of main-level living is simplicity. Daily tasks require less movement between floors, spaces feel more connected, and routines become more efficient. This reduces friction and makes the home easier to live in day to day. Planning for the future. Main-level living also supports long-term flexibility. As needs change over time, the home remains functional without requiring major adjustments. This can include reduced reliance on stairs, easier access to essential spaces, and greater comfort over time. Planning ahead in this way allows the home to evolve with you. Integrating with design. A common misconception is that main-level living limits design. In reality, it often leads to more thoughtful layouts. Spaces can be organized around natural light, outdoor connections, and clear transitions between rooms. When done well, the home feels open, cohesive, and intentionally designed. Balancing privacy and connection. Even with more placed on one level, a home can still maintain a good balance of privacy. Secondary bedrooms, offices, and additional spaces can be located on upper or lower levels. This allows the main level to remain focused on daily living while still supporting flexibility. A shift in how people want to live. Main-level living is not just a design trend. It reflects a shift in how people think about their homes, with more emphasis on comfort, ease, and long-term livability, and less emphasis on unnecessary complexity. A well-designed home should support you over time. Main-level living is one way to achieve that. By simplifying daily routines and planning for the future, it creates a home that feels comfortable, functional, and aligned with how you live. If you're thinking about designing a home and wanted to support both your current lifestyle and your future needs, we would love to explore that with you. You can reach us through our contact page in the description below. And for more insight into thoughtful home design and long-term planning, visit our Learning Center. And if this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more from the residential architects. Goodbye.